Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Natural by Watson's Blood Orange Body Scrub. Blood Orange Body Scrub exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells from the skin, revealing a smoother and younger looking skin. This scrub stimulates your senses and gives you a burst of invigoration. It combines antioxidant and skin brightening effects of Italian blood orange oil and kakadu plum extract for a youthful, more luminous skin. This body scrub uses 100% natural exfoliators to polish the skin. How to use Blood Orange Body Scrub. During your bath or shower, apply an appropriate amount of Blood Orange Body Scrub onto your palm. Gently massage all over your body. Greater pressure can be applied to rough areas such as elbows, heels and knees for better results. Rinse off thoroughly with water. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.